Good morning, my beautiful YouTube fam, y'all. The Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag is in. Do not get this in here. I did purchase this separately last month, I believe, for like 15 bucks, but I am so happy I got it. And y'all will see why in just a minute. I can't wait to see what we got and to show you guys how I did this makeup look. Y'all are gonna love it. I seen what we got. You're gonna be excited to see what we got. Yeah, your girl's tongue-tied. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. My loves, Copacetic Cosmetics. So there was a little bit of variation on how our YouTube family felt about this new makeup subscription bag that I got. It's not only makeup, it's nail polish, it's highlighters, it's lippies. It's a whole galore of stuff. I fell in love with the eyeshadows. Their little cutie bag is only $12 a month. You get 3 items plus 1 mystery item. And I really love the mystery item this month. Now, on my own, as I said in the little intro, I purchased their little Kitty Z palette. I think I showed this to you guys last month. I wanted to get one eyeshadow that I could use to be able to use with any shadows that was sent to me on here, because we always get a single. These are the ones I received so far, these 2 here, and this is the one that I purchased on my own to go with any of the shadows. As you seen last month, I used both of those to do that makeup look for you guys. I will be using this one again for this one's eye look here. Now, the Z palette was $15, and then her eyeshadows are $5 a piece, and then the first Tuesday of every month, they are on sale for $2.50. That she usually has a new release then also. So there is that, and that is just super adorable. Who couldn't get that? I mean, who could pass it up? I love it. It's so darn cute. No, Mary Catherine, it's mine. All right, loves. Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag is $12 a month. As I said, you get 3 items, and then you get 1 mystery item, and I'm not mad at it this month. I mean, all the items, you guys. I'm not mad at all at any of it. I actually did make choices finally. I normally don't do my choices. I like the surprise. Like, a lot of people have suggested, Sunny, do your choices. You're losing money not doing your choices. I enjoy the surprise, you guys. I truly do. But with this makeup subscription, because of how much I love the single eyeshadows that we've been getting, I wanted to be a bit particular and I wanted to choose. So I actually chose the products that I get for this month. You do get to choose your products, you guys. So make sure you go in and get that done if you like to do that also. So first thing we're going to get into. Here is the lippy that we got this month. Look at this gorgeous thing. That is just stunning. This is the shade that I thought I was going to get whenever Jeffree Star came out with Anna and Nicole's shade. Look at this. And I will put the close-up for you guys right there. Now, I'm going to have to find my little magnifying glass to tell you guys what the shade is. I don't remember. Prepare for trouble. That is hilarious. Here it is again. And as you guys already know, I do not mind getting these small lippies, not one bit. You guys, for one, I usually don't use up my lipsticks before they go bad, and it's time to throw them out, just a waste of money. So I do enjoy these small lipsticks. And this is a matte lipstick, you guys. I actually applied this lipstick at 2:30 when I went to pick up little Noah. It is now almost 5 o'clock. Look. Yeah, this is a true matte lipstick. I love this. I will be going back on Copacetic Cosmetics and checking out the rest of their liquid matte lipsticks, because you guys know how I feel about loving my transfer-proof lipsticks, and this one is just rocking it with some of the best of them that I have gotten. So I'm going to get on there and see how much they are and see what else I can get, because I'm loving this one so far. Absolutely fantastic. The next thing that we got, this cute little orange nail polish. It's not glitter, you guys. Unfortunately, I just did my fingernails last night because my oldest daughter came down and she needed me to remove some shellac nail polish off of hers, and it destroyed my nails. And there ain't no way I'm getting on camera with my nails all the sorts of funky wonky. So I just done my nails. So I really didn't want to remove this gorgeous purple polish I have. So next month I will have this one on for you guys, or maybe later in the week when this one starts messing up, I'll go ahead and apply this one. I did do a swatch for you guys, and I'll put it up right there. That is some really orange polish. Now, this shade name is called Fire Spin. Fire Spin. And you guys, I always forget to tell you guys, but there's 5 milliliters in here. That's how much is in here, which is wonderful for any nail polish whatsoever. So, very cute. Excited to use it. And I'll let you guys know how opaque it is and all that good stuff when I do use it. But you've seen the swatch. Again, I'll show it right there for you guys. All right, loves. The eyeshadow. Now I'm going to start playing. Let's see. Should I go ahead and play it? No, I'll go ahead and do the makeup look later on in the video for you guys. Here is the shadow that we received. That is from me using it. That is from me swatching and using it, you guys. The little crumblies you see in there. This shade name is called Confuse Ray. Who is Ray and why do we want to confuse him? I don't know. Absolutely, yep. Not a video Sunny don't drop something. She's saved. She's good. I will go ahead and do a swatch on camera with you guys. And then I want to show you that while I was in the vehicle opening up this stuff when I was in line to pick up little Noah, I did a swatch out in the sunlight so you guys could see it a bit better. There it is. And now I'll go ahead and play the video of me showing you guys the swatch while I was outside in the sun for you. Well, there that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a lilac shimmery shade. It is absolutely stunning. And I'll put a close-up right there for you guys. All right, loves. And this is the one I will be using in conjunction with the Tornado shade that I purchased on my own. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here in my Z palette so I don't drop it and lose it. Okay. The mystery item, you guys. This is a highlighter. Isn't it just stunning? I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch on camera with you. Look at that. Look how pink she is. Now, here's the close-up of it outside. And now here's the little video down there of me showing you guys out in the sunlight what it looks like. And I did use it on my cheeks today, and I actually had to tone it down. I want you guys just to see how pigmented this is. Look at that. Yes, I have to use my sponge and tone this down. She is a purple. She is a very, 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 very purple. Yeah, this would be a wonderful, amazing highlighter to use for like the more graphic looks that I do. Stunning. Love it. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start playing the makeup look for you guys over the top of this video, and I'll start talking to you through it. I have no complaints at all about the Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag for the month of May. Fantastic. Now, I know I messed up on the pricings. I know they went up to like $11 and $13 for her more complicated shadows and shimmers and stuff. The sales price is $5. Sorry, guys. And I do believe on Tuesdays, the first Tuesdays of every month, they go for $2.50. I'm not real clear on that, guys. I hate it when people do this. Sometimes this, sometimes that. I'm not real sure on that. But you can go on her site and check it out for yourselves. I'll leave her Instagram down below in the description for you guys. So here is the final look. I am not mad at this at all. I thoroughly, thoroughly enjoy her eyeshadows and now her highlighter. And as I said, I will be trying out the nail polish to find out how opaque it is as soon as this one starts getting messed up. And as far as the matte lipstick go this month, what a fitting name for me, Here Comes Trouble. I also wanted to let you guys know that I did use the highlighter shade in the middle of my lips here to do a little bit of an ombre look. It turned out just stunning, just gorgeous. And, you know, a little bit on the Cupid's bow. That is it. That's all. And then for my eyeliner, I used the Cleo Noir black gel eyeliner. And then, as always, I used my MTU NYC mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, my loves. That is all. Enjoy the makeup look. If you have any questions, leave them for me down in the comments. If you are a first-time subscriber, please let your girl know. I love to give proper welcomes. And you guys, later on this year, I will be doing a giveaway for just the people who have been using my thanks button. For those that don't know what the thanks button is down beneath the video. You have your like, your dislike, share buttons. If you scroll on over a little bit, you'll see the thanks button with the heart. you hit that, and then you use your PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, whatever you want to use to go ahead and donate to support our channel so we can keep buying all of this fantastic stuff for you guys. And, you know, other things in life, too. So, yeah. Mainly y'all's giveaways. All right, loves. That is all for the Copacetic Cosmetics and May Cutie Bag. I absolutely loved it this month. Thank you so much. Y'all did an absolutely fantastic, amazing job this month. All right, loves. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.